Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, me and my friend Cam are playing Fortnite Fall Pass, and we're gonna try and see if we can win. Yeah, and this is our first try.
Yeah, it is our first try.
We did only like 3 practice rounds. Yep, we definitely didn't record at this and lose to Hoop Legends. Okay, Cam, ready up.
Okay.
Oh my god, do you like my tall skin? I think we're gonna win.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna win. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. Yay! Hit paradise.
Wow.
Don't you love hit paradise and hit pattern?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna win. Yeah. I should elbow my PC.
Wow. Oh snap! I was AFK for a second there. Is that okay? I think that's all. Yeah, throw you off the edge.
Yeah. Wait, there's a kid hacking. This cat kid just flew.
Wait, what?
There's this one guy who's wearing a cat skin and he just flew.
Like
Started,
fly?
yeah, he just started flying.
What?
I don't know if he was
I
I don't know if he was cheating or it was just a glitch, but man just started flying.
You started flying?
Yeah.
It's a hobo. How did the kitty's a hobo?
I put my armor on to show you how strong I am. I put my armor on to show you how strong I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable. Pomegranate. Party pomegranate.
Promenade, bro.
Promenade. Pomegranate. Promenade.
How about we just call it cannon?
Cannon shooter 3D simulator.
Wow.
If there's a game called that, we just get sued. I'm gonna be so sad. Cannon shooter 3D world with the XDWTH to the V.
Me. Run, Rudolph, run. Run. Run, Mr. Rudolph.
Run.
Right down the tube.
Which one?
Wow.
Did you see that? Cam, if you ever watch this video, you can see on this level, when I went down the green tube, I went helicopter.
You want helicopter?
Yeah, I went helicopter.
Helicopter. Alright guys, so
I don't care if we don't win. I'm posting this video no matter what. I just want to watch that helicopter.
oh snap. Alright guys, so the end is getting close. Alright Carter, you wanna swing?
I used to call this party palm grenade.
Party palm grenade?
Yeah. I don't know why. I
Bro.
just called it party palm grenade.
Where are you, bro?
I'm
Oh,
at
yo,
the
way
finish
up there?
line. Yeah. Okay, Cam, you gotta entertain everyone. I gotta go pee. Okay.
Alright guys, so while Carter's gone, I guess we just watch some people. today. Like I don't know which ones he's watching, but Apparently there's this guy that looks like he's got blood all over for some reason. But it's just a coconut with a straw up his butt. But hopefully we make it this round. Yeah. Hopefully we make it to
Did we
the
make
finals.
Did we make it?
Yeah, we made it.
Mom, give me some more pizza rolls. I want pizza rolls.
There's like a disco ball kid and a kid that's got a straw up his butt, but like.
My mom is making me pizza rolls, okay? She already had them pre-made, so she's just putting them in the microwave.
Wow. Stomping ground. Alright, who's ready for the rhinos that got cheese wheels? What are you doing, bro?
Eating pizza rolls.
Who's let the rhino out?
Cammy, just do this. You do this the entire time. You spin in circles with this. And the rhino can never hit you. And if it ever does hit you, nothing will really happen.
Alright, guys. So the rhino's good. It looks like he's very bad because he's got his cheese wheels. And I don't think he's happy. What do you guys think, dude? Okay, apparently we're in first place right now. Alright, guys. So we're doing pretty good.
Tammy, you gotta do the
I'm just gonna
helicopter trick.
stand here.
Oh.
Hey guys, so we're in first right now. And there's 12 seconds left in the game. We're like very, very first, as you can see. So if we could just score a couple more points here, that'd be pretty darn nice. Let's go, we got first place.
Yeah! First! I was just doing the chicken dance to everyone because everyone was being mean. No one was being mean to me.
Hey
I
guys,
was just doing chicken dance.
Hey guys, like I told you, when Carl was watching, I told you we're gonna win the next match. Hopefully we win the next match pretty much. That's pretty much what I said.
Oh, no.
So now we're gonna win this match, maybe.
Hopefully. But
Hopefully.
remember we got the poo-poo.
Yeah, we got it last time, so we should be able to.
Yeah,
we
beat this round on the practice one.
Yep. All right, guys, here we go. Are you guys ready?
Banana water. Banana water.
Banana. All right, look at the screen. I'm gonna look at the screen. What is that? No. All right. All right. Not.
Right here.
All right, go, get up. All right, middle. 1, 2. All right. Then. Yes. All right, next one. Block. Yes.
Umbrella. Oh.
Whoa.
pizza rolls. My mom got me pizza rolls.
Didn't you already tell us that?
Yeah, I finished them because it was only 1.5. Because my brother stole the pizzas.
Nice. No!
No, my God. No, we're screwed.
Why are we so unlucky?
We've got this every single game that we're about to win.
That's true. Alright.
Okay, just
Where's gold?
I'm sprinting for the gold.
Alright.
No! I hit off of it. Oh, frick. I got one.
I got one too. Oh, I see the gold. No!
Someone else get it before you?
I got it! I got it! I got another one!
Wait, the gold's coming.
I got 8. We got 8, Carter. We got 8.
Yes.
We got 9! We got 9! We actually might do something.
No. What? Come on! No.
How is the match that fast?